Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning, welcome to another week here in drone industry land. I've got 3 stories to share with you this week and I'm going to jump right in. First up, we are launching a drone photography contest that begins today. There are 3 categories you can submit for: urban, nature, and animals or people. Each category will have a grand prize winner as well as a runner-up. The grand prize winners will receive a $250 Visa gift card and the runner-ups will receive a $50 Visa gift card. You can submit your photo on our website from now until October 28th. And the way this works is first we'll have a panel of judges that'll select the top 5 photos in each category. Then we'll ask you, yes, you, to help us pick the winners. Our esteemed panel of judges includes Sally over at thedronegirl.com, Russ over at 51 Drones, Elizabeth over at droneblog.com, Ed Ricker, an aerial videographer and YouTuber, and yours truly. We'll link to the contest entry page below, so make sure to check it out and enter. All right, next up, I love a good heist story, but unfortunately this one involves drones. A DJI Mini was used to steal 150,000 euros from an ATM in France. The thieves flew the drone through a ventilation shaft and into a technical room that controlled the ATM. Then they used the drone to push a button that opened the ATM from the inside. Once the ATM was open, they grabbed all the cash they could and ran. Now, prior to the flight, they used a telescopic stick outfitted with a mirror to look into the technical room, which is how they were able to locate the button that needed to be pressed. The entire robbery took less than 10 minutes and is reportedly the first time a drone has been used in a bank heist. We highly do not recommend trying that one at home. Lastly, American drone manufacturer Skydio launched a program called SAFE, or Skydio Assured Future Equipment. And they're offering customers an all-inclusive 5-year plan that provides a subscription for drone hardware and software. As Skydio explains, crashes happen, technology evolves, budgets are cut, wear and tear is unavoidable. As drone companies expand and look for reliable ways to bring in revenue, these kinds of subscriptions may become more common. They can also become more appealing for enterprise users who want to protect themselves from having to upgrade their drone system to a company's newest release or software in one-off purchases. For now, the SAFE program is only available for the Skydio X2. All right, folks, short and sweet this week. That's all we have. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest drone industry news. Remember to check out the links below for more in-depth information about each of these stories. Thanks for watching, and as always, wishing all of you drone pilots out there blue skies and safe flying.